Whoa, Nelly, we're getting a taste of a multiple choice test, and we're going to try to figure out what we know and what we don't know again. So, why do we do this? It's important to understand where the borders of what we know and don't know are, and just kind of stay in that zone so we can always push ourselves as best we can. So, what we would do is we have ourselves a red one, we've got a purple one. We've got a thumbs down. We've got another purple thumbs down. We've got a blue question mark, and we've got a darker blue question mark. All right. Now, what are these things for? This is for what we think the right answer over here for this question is. Okay. So we have to eventually choose what that's going to be. And then these are for the ones that we're pretty sure are wrong. So let's take a look. Which theme is most clearly developed in the passage below? During the Great Depression in the 1930s, serious drought and dust storms hit a large area of the United States. This ruined farmland and forced many people from their homes. In this novel excerpt, poor Oklahoma tenant farmers are getting ready to move to California, but first they must sell everything they can. In the little houses, the tenant people sifted their belongings and the belongings of their fathers and of their grandfathers, picked over their possessions for the journey to the West. Men sort through farm equipment in their barns and sheds. They'll sell things they won't need anymore. Times are hard, and they know they won't get much. So we get this sense, right, that this is a pretty desperate situation. Well, we can check the theme notes over here because oftentimes there'll be a graph or notes that kind of help us work through this. So themes are hidden inside a book. They're a message. They're a lesson that we're supposed to learn. Like in Little Red Riding Hood, you learn appearances can be deceiving sometimes. Well, I never read Little Red Riding Hood, so maybe I'll put a question mark there on top of Little Red Riding Hood. Okay. Um, Over here, I didn't quite remember what the word tenant means. What is that? What's a tenant? So I put a question mark there. Now, often in life, those who are beat down have an impossible time for getting back up. I think that's a correct answer. So I'm going to put my thumbs up there. Often in life, we have to be tough. I don't know if that's exactly wrong. Often in life, we need as much money as possible. No, I don't think this is an Ayn Rand novel. And then often in life, the strong dominate the weak. That might be true, but not really in this particular passage for sure. So it's between A and B. I went with A with my thumbs up. It's okay to get it wrong so long as you try your best. Okay? And that's how this slide works.